Good preparation is the key to have the best chance of surviving difficult situations. A good example of this is a survival fire starter prepared at home, which surely will work outdoors in rain and wind. First, you will need a box of matches, which you cut into a strip about 1 centimeter wide. Cut a strip of the same size from a plastic bottle. This will ensure that our trigger mechanism does not break when we pull it. Fold both strips in half and place a kind of small key ring between them, or you can also use a strong string. Best options are medium-length match sticks. Place 4 of them side by side to start with and tape their lower ends together with paper tape. A piece of another match stick can help you to insert the folded trigger in place. Now we can tape the match sticks together with paper tape, making sure that their head remains free. Next, take a string of sparklers and cut into 4 pieces. Using a thinner strip of paper tape, I try to attach the pieces of sparklers around the match sticks as well. When they ignite during use, they will create an extra flame. Once the core of the fire starter is ready, we take some cosmetic discs and cut one in half, wrapping it around the lower half of the match sticks. And cut another pad straight and wrap it around the fire starter in its whole length. Next, add a few beads of match sticks. These also help to create a stronger flame and make it easier to burn. These will go under the last layer of cosmetics pads.
Morning showing off, evening showing off, always showing off, hey. Morning showing off, evening showing off.
Finally, wrap the small package you have made so far with strong thread to secure all the layers.
Always showing off, hey. Always showing off, always showing off, always showing off.
next step is to melt wax in small metal box. The wax pieces melt quickly, so we can pour in the liquid to a smaller box that is tall enough to dip the fire starter into. The hot wax will completely soak in the entire thing. You must be careful that the ends of the matches and sparklers do not touch the wax. After a few minutes, the wax layer begins to solidify, so we can add another layer. And must repeat the dipping in wax 3 times. After a while, the wax has solidified and we can proceed to the final step. Must to insert the prepared fire starter into a small balloon, which protects the device during transport, and also it will protect our clothes from wax. This was for me the most difficult part of the preparation process. And we made it! Our homemade fire starter is ready, maybe not so aesthetic, but I hope it will work amazing. I think this little test is more authentic to have in a wet and windy environment. Anyway, we can increase our chances of success by splitting the wet wood with a strong knife. The inside of the wood is likely to be dry and will catch fire more easily. I put the thinnest branches in the middle, as these are likely to ignite first. How you can see, even with a match, it's almost impossible to light a fire in a slight breeze, even after several attempts. So, let's see how my miracle weapon will work. Once pulling the trigger, we have fire. So amazing! Its intensity depends on how professionally the device was assembled. If you didn't make any major mistakes, surely it will burn for a long time. Now we have a stable source of fire that burns for a long time, first drying out and then reliably igniting even wet, watery branches. With this tool, the wind can no longer prevent us from lighting a fire. After 12 minutes it is still burning. Finally, our tested homemade fire starter did its job for about 15 minutes. My next video will be coming soon, in which I will show you how I made this video, all my mistakes and errors that occurred during production, my video editing process, and all the steps involved in preparing to upload it to YouTube. Thanks for watching. Subscribing to my channel would be a great help for me. God bless.